and thank you for joining us for the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold Teardown video, part of the TechInsights Teardown video series. At the end of 2025, Samsung announced the release of the Galaxy Z TriFold, helping stoke excitement and curiosity for the official unveiling of the new Samsung Triple Fold at CES 2026. Despite the number of announcements and patents filed in the last 2 years by multiple Chinese brands such as Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is only the second TriFold smartphone released to the market for consumers, following Huawei's Mate X-T Ultimate TriFold device released in 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is running on a custom Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with custom thermal and power limits for Samsung devices. Physically, the Galaxy Z TriFold includes 5 cameras, a 10-megapixel front cover camera, while the rear camera design includes a 200-megapixel wide, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The printed circuit boards are also distributed across the 3 segments, connected by various flex cables and circuit assemblies, which are routed through the Galaxy Z TriFold's Armor Flex hinge systems. For the hinge design, Samsung is once again using its Armor Flex hinge system, first used in Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Armor Flex hinge system is an independent multi-link hinge system which helps reduce stress on the display panel by creating a teardrop or water drop curve. Essentially, the folded curve has a wider radius at the fold, which reduces stress on the display panel and minimizes any visual creases when the display is expanded. TechInsights is the leading source in teardowns of consumer and automotive electronics. We follow a systematic and comprehensive approach for all of our teardown analysis to uncover valuable information about each device's design, function, and performance. As a subscriber, you have access to thousands of electronic devices on our platform, as well as up-to-date views of upcoming teardowns on our roadmaps.